Lower it slowly, we're almost clear. Hold it right there, Bill. We've got the chocks.
Clear on this section. Moving to the next rivet line.
Readings confirm structural integrity. Data logged. Ensure the titanium alloy specs match the 787 requirements.
Already verified the batch serials. They are cleared for assembly. Bring it down 20 millimeters. Copy that, moving slowly. Clear on the starboard side.
Alignment is good. Lock the clamps. Confirm green status on all sections.
Hold it steady, just a few more inches to the left.
Copy. Easy now.
Readings are within tolerance across the board.
Confirmed. Log it, and we can proceed with the next section.
Easy now, bring it down 5 more centimeters.
Clear on this side, boss.
Watch the alignment. Lower it down, slow and steady.
Clear on the right side.
All right, secure it, looks perfectly aligned. All right, bring it down 5 feet. Watch your spacing back there. Got it, steady now. moving into the chamber right on schedule. And the primer application is flawless. We're showing green across the board on this section. Confirmed. The calibration is holding steady.
All parameters checked out on this section.
Excellent. Logging the final approval now. We are clear for the next phase.
The reading here is 42 microns.
Consistent with the specs. We can sign off on this section.
Reading at 0.5, consistent across the curve.
Matches the schematic. Surface looks good.
Approved for transfer.
Ratios on the forward section are holding steady.
Confirmed. Frame balance is nominal across the grid. We are stable.
Applying final torque now.
Reading stable. Symmetry confirmed. You are good to release the tension.
The ultrasonic scan on section 4 looks nominal.
Confirmed. The heat map shows green across the board. Core stability validated.
The readings on this section confirm core stability. Good.
Let's move to the next segment and cross-reference the data.
Alignment is complete. We have fusion.
Confirmed. The tolerances are within spec.
The alignment is perfect. We are stable for the next stage.
7087 batch is secured.
Seal it up. Let's move out.
Attention. The next fuselage segment is approaching the alignment jig. All personnel stand clear.
What's the reading on station 450?
4 millimeters, right within tolerance. We are good for fusion. Hold the crane, watch the heat sensors on the trailing edge.
Roger that. Steady as she goes.
Clear path to the cooling station.
Clear the jig on the left side. Copy that, moving slowly now.
Align it right there, then use the torque wrench until it clicks.
It's secure now.
Verified. Nicely done.
This connection point right here, is that the final configuration?
Yes, the tablet confirms it matches the diagram.
Locking it down now. Got the green light.
Solid connection. Telemetry is nominal.
Okay, easy now. Watch the alignment on your side.
Got it. Looks straight. Clamps engaging. Verified.
Powering up the mood system now. White looks good.
Perfect gradient.
Here is the driver. Thank you. This one is secure.
Initiating the mood lighting sequence. Blue looks good.
And switching to magenta. Looks aligned with the specifications.
That's the last one secured.
Powering up the strip now. Looks solid.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down another 2 feet. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
That's the last one. Torque is set.
Alignment confirmed. Good job.
How's the alignment? Green light. Torque it.
We're showing maximum strain in zone 9. The wire just snapped. We have a critical failure.